हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दी सेलिंग बेस्ट। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरे चैनल में जो प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन है वहाँ पे आप टीजी शिपिंग, एग्ज़िट एग्जामिनेशन, ई लर्निंग प्लेलिस्ट को विज़िट कीजिए। वहाँ पे आपको सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे और साथ ही में चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को भी क्लिक करना है ताकि मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। और सब्सक्राइब इसलिए कीजिए ताकि मुझे भी इंकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए वीडियोज़ बनाने के। एंड चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ। इसमें मैं डिस्कस करूँगा आपके साथ सेट नंबर 7 फॉर रिफ्रेशर एएफएफ एंड एफएफएफ एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन डीजी शिपिंग वेबसाइट। कंबाइंड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स है ये। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फायर अलार्म सिस्टम thermostats are actuated by. Answer A, B, difference in thermal expansion of two dissimilar metal. Question number 2, which fire detection system is actuated by sensing a heat rise in compartment? So answer A, C, automatic fire detection system. Question number 3, which type of portable fire extinguisher are designed for putting out electrical fire? So answer A, D, dry chemical and carbon dioxide. Question number 4, a carbon dioxide extinguisher should be recharged. Answer A, C, whenever it is below its required weight. Question number 5, a deck stored 40 feet container is giving off smoke and one end is discolored from heat. The cargo is valuable and easily damaged by water. You want to extinguish the fire without further damage. If possible, what action should you take? Answer is C. Pierce the container and discharge 6 or more potable CO2s, then add more CO2 hourly. Question number 6, squeeze grip type carbon dioxide portable fire extinguisher has been partially discharged. It should be answer A, labeled empty and recharged as soon as possible. Question number 7, after using CO2 portable fire extinguisher it should be answer A, D, recharged. Question number 8, how do you operate portable CO2 fire extinguisher? Answer A, D, pull pin and squeeze grip. Question number 9, in continuous operation the effective range of the 15-pound CO2 extinguisher is limited to 3 to 8 feet. Answer B. Question number 10, in order to discharge CO2 portable fire extinguisher the operator must first answer C, remove the locking pin. Question number 11, portable CO2 fire extinguisher should not be used to inert a space containing flammable liquid due to danger of answer A, discharge causing a static spark. Question number 12, to operate portable CO2 extinguisher continuously in discharge mode, answer A, slip the deyoke ring in the lower handle over the upper handle. Question number 13, when discharging a portable CO2 fire extinguisher, you should not hold the horn of the extinguisher because the horn, answer B, becomes extremely cold. Question number 14, when fighting a fire on bulkhead using portable carbon dioxide extinguisher, the stream should be directed at the base of the flame. Answer A है the base of the flame, moving the horn from side to side, following the flame upward as they diminish. Question number 15, which is the proper method of determining whether the portable CO2 fire extinguisher needs recharging? तो इसका आंसर है सी, weigh the extinguisher and compare the weight against that stamped on the valve. Question number 16, which portable fire extinguisher is normally recharged in a shower facility? Answer is CO2, option D, carbon dioxide. Question number 17, which portable fire extinguisher should be used on classifier on board a vessel? इसका आंसर है A, carbon dioxide. Question number 18, you are having a coast guard inspection. All carbon dioxide fire extinguishers aboard will be, answer है weight. Question number 19, you can determine that the CO2 fire extinguisher is fully charged by, answer A, D, weighing on a properly calibrated scale. Question number 20, a portable dry chemical fire extinguisher discharges by, answer A, B, pressure from small CO2 cartridge on the extinguisher. Question number 21, dry chemical extinguisher extinguishes class B fire to the greatest extent by, answer A, D, breaking the chain reaction. Question number 22, recharging a previously used cartridge operated dry chemical extinguisher is accomplished by? Answer A, B, replacing the propellant cartridge and refilling with powder. Question number 23. What is an advantage of dry chemical extinguisher as compared to a carbon dioxide extinguisher? इसका आंसर है डी, इट ऑफर्स लास्टिंग इफेक्टिव प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट बम्प पैक. Question number 24. When electrical equipment is involved in a fire, the stream of dry chemical should be? Answer A, aimed at the source of the flame. Question number 25. Which action is routinely performed after annual servicing and inspection of dry chemical cartridge operated portable fire extinguisher? Answer A, ensure the chemical is powdery. केकी नहीं होना चाहिए. Question number 26. Which statements are true concerning the use of dry chemical extinguisher? तो आंसर है A, you should direct the spray at the base of fire. Question number 27. You are fighting a class B fire with a portable dry chemical extinguisher. The discharge should be directed. इसका आंसर है B, at the seat of fire starting at the near edge. Question number 28. All portable fire extinguishers must be capable of being? इसका आंसर है A, carried by hand to a fire. Question number 29. Size 1 and 2 fire extinguishers are designated as? Answer A, portable. Question number 30. Fire extinguishers of size 3, 4 and 5 are designated as? Answer A, B, semi-portable. Question number 31. Which type of portable fire extinguisher is not designed for use on flammable liquid fire? तो इसका आंसर है B, water cartridge operated. Question number 32. Which type of portable fire extinguisher is not designed for use on flammable liquid fire? तो आंसर है C, water cartridge operated. Question number 33. Which extinguishing agent is suitable to combat a class B fire in an engine compartment? Answer A, CO2, dry chemical and foam. All of the above. Answer D. Question number 34. A fire in electric equipment should be extinguished by using? Answer A, D, CO2. Question number 35. After extinguishing a fire with CO2, it is advisable to? Answer A, C, stand by with water or other agents. Question number 36. Before using a fixed CO2 system to fight an engine room fire, you must? So इसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. तो देखते हैं क्या क्या है ऑल ऑफ द अबव में. सिक्योर द इंजन रूम वेंटिलेशन, करेक्ट है. सिक्योर द मशीनरी इन इंजन रूम, करेक्ट है. Evacuate all engine room personnel. Question number 37. A carbon dioxide as a firefighting agent has which advantage over other agent? तो इसका एडवांटेज है ऑप्शन ए, it causes minimal damage. Question number 38. CO2 extinguishes a fire by? Answer A, B, smothering. Question number 39. Fire in an engine room compartment is best extinguished with carbon dioxide gas and by? Answer A, B, completely closing the compartment. Question number 40. Fixed CO2 system would not be used on cruise quarter or? Answer A, C, spaces which are open to the atmosphere. Question number 41. In areas where CO2 piping is installed, such piping may not be used for any other purpose except? Answer A, in connection with the fire detection system. Question number 42. A fire is discovered in the forepeak of a vessel at sea. The wind is from ahead at 35 knots. You should? Change the course and put the stern to the wind. Always keep fire on the leeward side. Question number 43. There is a fire aft aboard your vessel. To help fight the fire, you should? Answer B, head the bow into the wind and decrease the speed. Question number 44. You are underway when a fire breaks out in a forward part of your vessel. If possible, you should? Answer A, Put the vessel's turn into the wind. Question number 45. When flammable liquid are handled in a compartment on a vessel, the ventilation for that area should be answer A. Operated continuously while vapors may be present. Question number 46. When should fire be ventilated? Answer A. When attacking the fire directly. Question number 47. A fire has broken out on the stern of your vessel. You should maneuver your vessel so that the wind, answer A C, comes over the bow. So guys, ये वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाता है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो एंड प्लेलिस्ट डीजी शिपिंग एग्ज़िट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्लेलिस्ट को विज़िट ज़रूर कीजिए. वहाँ पे आपको सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे रिफ्रेशर के लिए. एंड साथ में ऊपर आई बटन आ रहा होगा, वहाँ पे भी आप क्लिक करोगे तो आप डायरेक्टली उस वीडियो की तरफ चले जाओगे, प्लेलिस्ट की तरफ चले जाओगे. थैंक यू.